The 2015 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.